You are about to discover the types of business credit that are currently available for you and your business. We can help you get approved for over $50,000 in credit for your business with no personal credit check and no personal guarantee. Many business owners ask us what kind of creditors they will be approved with. With our business credit funding suite, you have access to hundreds of merchants who will extend you credit for your business. With this business credit, you can easily qualify for over $50,000 in credit with major merchants within just a few months. Some of your credit will be approved with merchants like Chevron, Staples, Home Depot, Lowe's, OfficeMax, Walmart, Costco, BP, and hundreds more. Most major merchants do offer business credit, and our funding suite makes that credit available to you. You can also be approved for major credit with Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. This is credit you can use anywhere, and you'll be approved for credit limits of $10,000 or more on most of these business credit cards. Our business credit and funding suite has a large selection of business credit vendors and merchants available for you. Actually, the funding suite has more vendor and merchant sources available than anyone else offers in the entire world. Don't forget, with business credit, you will also be able to be approved with no personal credit check and with no personal guarantee required. We provide you instant access to cash and credit for your business. So contact us today to gain access to your very own business credit and funding suite and access near unlimited money to grow your business.